Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You said before you were 12 by 16 or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, which is brand new. And I'm going to just do a bit of a pour and have a bit of fun, I think. And I don't even know if I want this to go on even Stevens, but here we go. I've got black white, as you can see, some blue and some bright red, and over here I've got some greens I can play with if I want, and I'm just spreading this around a little bit with my trusty spatula. Wish I knew where I purchased this some time ago now, and it's not plastic, it's rubber, and it happens to be the best, and I have no idea where I got it, and I've never seen another one like it, so there we go. There's a moral there somewhere, but I just don't know what it is. Right. Now, do I care about smudge? Nah, maybe a little bit. So I'll just give this a rinse off. Now if there's a little bit of black left on here after that quick rinse, it won't really matter. I don't mind a little bit. So we'll start over this end now. See, I did a good quick rinse. And so, as I said, I don't mind a little bit coming over here and there, just as long as I don't have any canvas. Now I'm happy. Oh, how pretty is that? Alright, the things we get. So I'm just doing that, and I think I might just continue the line here, like so. Quite enjoying this, and how pretty. A little bit of red over here perhaps. And I need a cloth, don't I? Okay. So, that is very pretty. And maybe just down in this little corner. And this little corner. Quite like that. I think I've got more red than I actually need, so let's see if we can't just take some of that off. Right. And I shall add some white. see how I go now. The white is much more difficult to keep white than the black was to keep black. Huh? And I rather think I like the black side better. So I'm going to be really cruel. And this paint won't get wasted. It will be gathered. In fact, some of it might even make some pendants. So, where's the cloth? Here we go. Come on. Okay. That should do that. And then I'll just do this. Another white dot. To the edges. And then we have black. Which is pretty good. And then I'll just this up a bit. Right, and so I'm going to put blue here. I'm going to remove that red because I decided I like this black and blue. And white top again. Black. And I'm going to leave that space with nothing. Just making sure it stays black. I've got little like bald patches popping up, see there? I don't know what's causing that. Perhaps if you've got any ideas, there's another one there, you might be able to enlighten me, because I really just standing here looking at it, and it's not like there's not enough paint. There's plenty of paint on here. So they're popping up all over the place. Wonder what's causing that. I don't know. But some of this glue can move up. Where's my... That's good. Yes, I really don't know what caused those. There's some more. Oh, I've got mosquitoes trying to chew me up. Alright, so I'm just going to wash my hands and torch this one and see what happens. Ooh, what was that? Nothing's going right today. I've got to get the fly spray. Like that, and just move these out of the way. And where are you, Mozzie? Come on, land. He won't do that again. Alright, so I'm going to bring you down to have a look at this one, which I really like. Might go ahead and do a red one since I already mixed the paint up. So underneath show more below this video you'll find recipes for the pouring medium and the paints for this painting, and you'll find a link there to my Facebook group, Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us over there. This is really, really pretty. Lots and lots of cells. Yes, I think I'll go ahead and do a red one now. Alright, well thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed this, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do. And click the little bell, you'll be notified then when I put up more videos. And please give this one a thumbs up. Bye for now.